Hey, Alex. So I was looking at your question about exercise 559, and I thought the best way to answer that would probably be by video. So you wanted to see why or how polygon pen works. Um, so the way that I check out something like that is I know that I have a draw polygon method here, and I see this line, polygon pen. So I'm going to, oh, can't set a breakpoint there. I'm going to set a breakpoint on the first line of this method and see where it takes me. So I'll show you. I don't know if you've used these breakpoints before, but it puts a little stop sign in the margin there. And then when we go to run that method, you'll see what happens here in a minute. So I'm going to slide this over a little so we can see what it does. And now I'm going to call draw polygon, and let's say I want to make a polygon with 6 sides. So I'll say OK, and then this debugger pops up. So and you notice also that we get this pointer to where we are in the code. This was our breakpoint. You can see where our stop sign was. So, and this little arrow says we're at this point in the code right now. And then you have this box that tells us, in the call sequence box, we see that we're in the draw polygon method from draw demo. Our instance variables show up for the draw demo class, and they're both pointing to objects. So I think we can open up and inspect those objects if we want. You can also see that you have this local variable n equals 6, which makes sense because we input a 6. Okay, so now we can kind of step through the code. So if I say step like this, it just takes me to the next line. Now our pen has been given a value, so we have an object reference to there. And if I step one more time, I go to the next line. So now I'm on this line, polygon pen, comma, n, and we can see what that line does. So I'm going to say step into, and so here we have polygon pen n. Our pen is that, that pen object that we created, and our n is 6. So you can just kind of loop through here. And I'm going to scooch this a little bit so you can see what's happening with the drawing. So if I say step, move 100, see it moved the pen 100 steps. Then we do a turn, which you're not going to see, but because we're not traveling at all. But now when we move 100, because we did that turn earlier, we're going in this direction. We're going to turn, move 100, turn again, move 100 again, turn again, and so on until we finish up. So that's what polygon pen n does.